How to turn off professional mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Instagram, then click on your profile located at bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, in here, you need to simply scroll down and for professionals, click on Creator Tools and Controls, which is the third option. And here, scroll down and click on Switch Account Type. After that, at the bottom, you'll find all these options. Click on Switch to Personal Account. After you've clicked on Switch to Personal Account, again click on Switch to Personal Account. After that, your professional mode will be turned off. This is how to turn off professional mode on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.